I live in Antarctica. Meet my cute, fuzzy little penguins. They've been slipping and sliding in the snow all day. Before we go home, I must count my little penguins. Will you help me? You will? Great! Say, how many little penguins can you see? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Look, here come 2 more. How many penguins are there in all? Everybody counts. 1, 2, 3, plus 2 more makes 4, 5 little penguins. Great counting, everybody. 2 more little penguins. Let's count how many penguins we've got now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 2 more makes 6, 7 little penguins. Good work. Here come 3 more little penguins. So we've got how many little penguins now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 3 more makes 8, 9, 10. We've got 10 little penguins. All of my little penguins are here now. We can go home. Thanks for helping me count my little penguins. Bye-bye.
Great job, everybody! Teacher Ho, you will practice with your mommy and daddy. See you next class. Bye!